What's up, guys? This is Nerk's vlog of the Tinywhoop Invitational 2019.
Why are you closing your eyes?
I don't know why. I'm trying to be like super obnoxious because I am Paul Nurkala. I am DRL World Champion, which is better than Alex Vanover National Champion, but it doesn't matter.
You heard it from the man himself.
Dang it! I should have even said that on camera, actually.
Whoopsie! But we found our opening clip for this video.
Respect pop.
Gap, 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 gap. Let's go.
Sandwich.
He wants me to stop being excited about the Tinywhoop Invitational. So we are walking up to the Tinywhoop Invitational for the first time.
2019.
Nerk! Hey.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you? Dean. Dean.
Hey.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
This way?
Yeah.
Sure. You can see farmer's insurance, which doesn't make any sense.
The main man Christian. He's the top drone pilot. He's like with the thing, with the technology all over his face. Up in the fastest of the top drone pilots in the world. In it, Christian.
Yeah, oh yeah.
For real, for real. I heard that you is like the DHL pilot. Do you have like a quota of packages that you have to deliver every day?
Yeah, like 400.
400 packages every day. That is pretty big parcel delivery from DHL.
Okay, we're here at the Tinywhoop Invitational. It's like the world championship of Tinywhoops. I am not great at flying them, and the qualification process has definitely shown me that is definitely the case. I've managed to do like 1 or 2 different qualifying times. Come on in! This is Say. But yeah, it's not been going very well for me. I'm about to do my last qualifying run. Hopefully we'll be able to get a good time in, but you know, even if I put a good one in, there's still really fast people ready to go, so we'll see what happens.
Bow!
Okay, I just did my last qualifying run. Unfortunately, it didn't go as well as I wanted to. I had a couple of dumb crashes, cost me time. I managed to improve my time, get into 14th spot, but there's still a lot of heats left to go, so there's still a strong possibility that I'll get bumped. So we're just gonna keep flying, well, I guess I gotta wait now. So I'm just gonna sit around and hope that people don't do better than me. So that's, I'm not excited about that, but we'll see what happens. Quick status update. In this heat, there are 4 people that can bump me out of my qualifying position. So like literally, if any 2 of these guys do better than me, I'm gonna be back on the bubble. If 3 of them do better than me, I'm straight out. And there's still like 3 or 4 heats to go after this. So I'm watching Code Red, Free Fly, Drone Junkie, and Jet. And if any one of them, you know, does better than my current time of 3 laps in 2 minutes and 14 seconds, then I'm out. So we're gonna be watching intently to see what happens.
Your high seed on the lap number 2, it's Josh Evans. That is gonna hurt for your leader. Here comes Jordan Tempkin to get on that lead lap with Josh Evans.
Battery.
Flip it.
Battery, Cal, look at that! Look at that!
It's utter chaos in here.
No one knows what is going on. Drone Junkie getting onto that lead lap right here.
Oh God. You're rubbing, Cody! Okay, I hate to say it, but this is going really well for me. The guy that I thought that was most likely to beat me has a 1 minute, and like everybody else is crashing out. It's crazy. We're good for this heat. Okay, after that last heat, that leaves me in 14th place, so didn't qualify very well, but we're into double eliminations. Anything can happen, the pressure's on, people are crashing all of the time. It's gonna be great.
That's our next heat. Of course, we're
going into my first heat here. In double elimination, it's not good. I am in big trouble. Some really fast guys in it, and yeah, we'll see. Okay, so in that last heat, like I was doing okay, but the ground lead for the camera on my quad was like falling off mid heat. So like you could see like it goes like neon and crazy, and like when I hit the finish gate, which is like a crash gate like in DRL, the cable came all the way off. So I'm getting some help fixing it from a professional. Can you introduce yourself?
What's up, guys? I'm Ben.
YouTube channel?
I do.
Plug the shit out of it.
I have under 100 subscribers, so I can't give you a URL, but sweet FPV name. I work at Tinywhoop, and I build these things all day long. So let's get Paul back in there.
We'll get his channel link in there in the description, right there.
Dude, that's sick.
We're down to make or break. Like this is my last elimination possibility. I lost one. I won one. I lost. And now I have a chance. If I lose, I'm out. If I get second or better, I'm still in, but I got to race against Nub, Provo, and Noodle, all of whom are super fast and super confident on Tinywhoops, unlike me. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to do my best, and it's going to be fun, but wish me luck.
Underway. Look at this, pouring on through that hyper tunnel. This will be truly anyone's game. Watching the line of sight, things are just right. Here's on the Tinywhoop headquarters around that infinity cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you it was hot. Looking at one DVR. Things are right. Lift the weight. We need a marshal for Mercury's down as we look to your leader up in the clouds. That looks to be no leading the field to College Breathing Rim. He's just ahead of Noodle. Just ahead of Noodle 1 and 2 as we put Provo and Merc up with them.
Nub 37.7. Noodle 39.1.
Just under
Provo 42.5.
behind the Provo across the line of the
God damn it.
Noodle is some issues, so it'll be Nub with a little
Fuck! Not the hand! You're setting me down!
Trying to get Noodle back up. This is what we came for to race Tinywhoops. Merc getting onto that lead lap. Everyone chasing Nub as he goes up in the clouds here. Working on lap number 2. Running order, I believe, is Nub, then Provo, then Noodle, then Merc. but we still have one more lap to go. As they go through the tiny whip bar, we're going to go red flag, one more to go.
Lap 37.4.
Now by the lap number 3 is a 37.4. Let's come down the stairs and across
Provo
the line.
38.4.
With Provo moving up to number 2 spot. Just under 5 seconds behind our leader. Now we can
Newell 49.5. Nerd 38.5.
Run the door! Nerd is second and a bit behind him, but he's got to find about 10 seconds on the heels of Provo. It's Nub and Provo 1 and 2. And now Nerd with issues. He's getting marshaled. Looking over at Nub. This is smooth sailing for him. Look at Provo right behind him. This is a Provo's got Nub in his FPV view. He's doing some chase cam. 1 and 2. They're going to top of this. Race to the crash.
Provo 36.4 done. Middle 36 flat middle done.
No video issues.
44.7 nerd done.
That's it. I'm out. I just kept making dumb mistakes the whole way around. It was I flew a great race. I had good video. I had a great quad. I just screwed it up. Couldn't hold it together. So I'm gonna go party. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the racing and stay flying.
We just got these really cheap little Chinese bowling toys, and we're gonna see how many we can knock down at once.
Thank you so much.